Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss practical aspects of bank reconciliation statement. How bank reconciliation statement is prepared. All of us, we just want to discuss some important points of the chapter. We have two books, cash book and passbook. Cash book debit balance means plus side. Cash book credit balance means minus side. Passbook is quite opposite to cash book. So passbook debit means minus and passbook credit means plus. Again I am repeating. Cash book debit means plus. So passbook debit means minus. Cash book credit means minus. So passbook credit means plus. Bank is quite opposite to us. And keep it in mind that negative balance can also be called overdraft balances. Negative, we can write overdraft. Negative, we can write overdraft. So if overdraft balance of passbook, it means debit balance of passbook. And overdraft balance of cash book means credit balance of cash book. I hope it is clear. Now we have a practical question so that you can do the question very easily. So the important point is that when balances of cash book is given, then at last we will find balance according to passbook. And when passbook balances are given in question, then we have in answers balance of cash book. One more point is there. If cash book balances are given, then we have to make the transactions according to bank. According to bank means if bank has deducted, then we will deduct it. If bank has increased, then we will increase. And if passbook balances are given, then we just make the transactions opposite to bank. That means if bank has increased, then we will decrease. If bank has decreased, then we will increase. So we have an example, illustration number 1. Bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2020. According to question, the format is particulars, plus item and minus item. First we have given debit balance as per cash book 17,280. If credit balance is given, then we will put it on minus side. Next, first transaction is checks are sent for collection but not cleared by bank. As I told you in previous video, what does it mean? Checks are sent for collection. That means we have deposited in bank. That means our balance is increased. But passbook has not increased. So bank balance is decreased. Because cash book is given, so we just move according to bank. If bank balance is decreased, then we will put it on negative side. One more example. Next is checks issued but not presented for payment. We have given check to someone. That means our balance is decreased. Our means cash book is decreased. But passbook balance is not decreased because checks are not presented for payment. So in bank our balance is increased. So we will put it in plus side. Next, bank charges. Bank charges means bank balance is minus. So we will put it on minus. Next, interest credited by bank. Credited by bank means passbook is also called bank. Credited by bank means plus. So bank has plus. So we will also put it on plus. Next we have customer directly deposit in bank. That means bank balance is increased. So we will also put it in increase 2000. And at last we just give standing instruction to bank that please pay our club fees and life insurance premium. So our bank balance is reduced by them. So club fees is 500 and life insurance premium is 2500. Now at last we just make a total of both sides. Total of plus item is 25,120 and total of minus side is 11,480. Difference is 13,640. This balance will be of passbook. Passbook which balance, debit or credit? Plus side. So it will be plus means passbook credit balance. Plus means passbook credit balance. So we will write at last credit balance as per passbook. Thank you.